People, I get a bit too busy sometimes, and I forget that I need to film it. Always when you put a nail in your architrave like that, it pulls the miters in nicely. Holds them together forever. But that's the beauty of a miter saw, everyone. You know, you can ooh-ah! Oh, that's not very good. On camera too. See, no one's perfect, are they? I do have a nail gun at home. Not a Passol, but I've got to run it off a compressor, so just to do a bit of architrave, not worth bringing it. Just for one architrave. No biggie. Oh, what? What am I going into that's so hard? Now that's got to be a piece to patch. I'll be tiling down to it anyway in silicon, so okay, well, lucky I did put the camera on to show you that I stuff up too sometimes. That's what I was meant to do. I'll throw a bit of glue on that. Home and hose. Give it a sand off. Okay, I'll get into these tiles. I've got to mix up some glue, so I'll mix up some glue and I'll come back to you. See you soon. Yep. We're all human, people. See ya.